welcome to Easy Learn. This is Usha. Let's start today's class with a quote. Math is a language of universe by Lucas Grabeel. Today I am going to teach you value of the polynomial. The value of the polynomial at a point is the value obtained by the polynomial at that point. For example, value of x minus 7 at x equal to 12. If they ask the value of x minus 7 means we cannot find until they give the value of x, value of the variable. So let us take the polynomial as p of x. P of x equal to x minus 7. Here what is the value of x is given? X equal to 12. Means in the wherever x is there we have to take in the place of x 12. P of 12 equal to 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So value of this polynomial is 5. In the same way, we can take any polynomial like x square minus 2x plus 1. So value of the polynomial, let us take the polynomial as p of x. Value of this polynomial at x equals to 5, suppose. So p of 5 equal to 5 square minus 2 into 5 plus 1. So 5 square value is 25 minus 10 plus 1. 25 plus 1, 26 minus 10, 16 is the value of x square minus 2x plus 1 at x equal to 5. Right? We will see the problems related to value of the polynomial from the exercise 2.2. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1 at x equal to, at different points we have to find value of this polynomial. Let us take the polynomial as p of x equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So x equal to 0, right? So p of 0 equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 whole square plus 3. 5 into 0 is nothing but 0 minus 0 square is 0. 0 into 4, 0 plus 3. So value of this polynomial at x equal to 0 is 3. Right? So this is the value of the polynomial. Next, here p of x, same polynomial, we have to find value at x equal to 1. So 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Value of this polynomial at x equal to minus 1 means p of minus 1 equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus of minus 4 into minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, right? So 1 plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 is the value of this polynomial at x equal to minus 1. Right? In the same way here also we can find p of 2. Value of this polynomial at x equal to 2 is p of 2. P of 2 equal to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 whole square plus 3. So 5 into 2 is 10 minus 4 into 2 square value is 4. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3. So 10 minus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3. The value of this polynomial at x equal to 2 is minus 3. Clear? This is the first question. Right. Next. Find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Here we have to find p of 0. P of 0 equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So 0 square value is 0 minus 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1 only. So value of the P of 1 value for this polynomial is 1. P of 0 is 1. Next, P of 1 we have to find for the same polynomial. P of 1 equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So 1 is the answer. P of 1 equal to 1. P of 2. Here if we substitute in the place of y, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square value is 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 2 is 3. So P of 2 value for this polynomial is 3. Right? Next we have another polynomial. For this we have to find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. P of 0 for this polynomial is, in the place of t we have to take 0 for P of 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 whole square minus 0 square, 0 to the power of 3. So P of 0 equal to 2 plus 0, 0 into something is 0 minus 0. All are zeros, so answer is 2. P of 0 value for this polynomial is 2. Whereas P of 1 in the same way. In the place of x, in the place of t we have to substitute 1. So 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 square minus 1 whole cube. 2 plus 1 plus 1 square value is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 cube value is 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4. P of 1 value for this polynomial is 4. P of 2. In the place of t we have to substitute 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 whole cube. That means 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 square value 4. 4 into 2, 8. Minus 2 cube value is 8. Plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. The value of this polynomial at x equal to 2 is 4. Right? In the same way we can find the third one. Fourth one. Now. P of 0. X, in the place of x we have to take 0. So 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. Brackets we have to simplify first. That means 0 minus 1 is minus 1 into plus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1, minus into plus, minus 1 into 1, 1. So P of 0 value for this polynomial is minus 1. P of 1 equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 value is 0. 0 into 2. 0 into something is 0 only. So P of 1 equal to 0. In the same way, P of 2. In the place of x we have to take 2. 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So P of 2 equal to 3. Right? Is this clear? Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the regular updates of my classes.